kids! Today we are going to learn the letter R. Can you say R?
R.
Wonderful! Look carefully. Big R is written like this. R. And small r is written like this. R. Big R and small r. R and R. R is for rabbit. A rabbit hops quickly. Hop, hop, hop. Do you like rabbits? R is also for rain. Raindrops fall from the sky. Drip, drop, drip. And R is for robot. A robot walks with stiff arms. Beep, bop, beep. Let's say the words slowly together. Rabbit, rain, robot. Excellent! Now, trace the letters in the air with your finger. Big R. One line down, a bump at the top, and a slanting leg out. Again, one line down, a bump at the top, and a slanting leg out. Can you clap 3 times and say R? 1, 2, 3. R. The letter R is remarkable. You learned big R, small r, and words like rabbit, rain, and robot. Next time, we will meet the letter S.
Wow!
Bye-bye, kids.